It could be appealing to buy parts online at an inexpensive price. You have to make sure that you install it correctly. That's the benefit of having a licensed contractor. We come out and do it correctly the first time. That way it prevents long-term problems. The reason why you would be using a licensed contractor because we are state certified and we're highly trained in many different aspects of HVAC systems. Diagnosing the equipment, putting the correct parts back in the equipment. When you buy parts through aftermarket on the internet, then you run the risk of not purchasing the correct parts, also installing them incorrectly, which may further damage your equipment. If a part is installed incorrectly, then it could lead to future problems. If you install the part yourself, you could affect the warranty of the product, and of course there will be no warranty for the workmanship that is provided by a licensed contractor.